Hi everyone, welcome to Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're doing Chinese pot roast chicken. That means we brown the chicken with thick soy sauce and then we brown it and cook it in the pot. So these are the main ingredients that you need. These are dried things. These are the mushrooms, and when you soak it for 2 hours it looks like this. I've cut them in half. And this is the lily flower, and when it's soaked, maybe this 1 hour would be fine. It looks like this. And these are the black fungus, and when you soak them it'll expand quite a bit, and if you want to cut them up you can just tear it off. It's very soft, but you have to take out the stems of the mushrooms. So after 2 hours it's pretty soft like this, because it's kind of tough and you don't want to eat that. So I usually cut this in half. If it's really big you can cut them in quarters. The next step is to rub thick soy sauce on the outside of the chicken only. It's about 2 tablespoons. Then you just rub it all over the outside. After this we're gonna brown it. This gives a really good color. A lot of the Chinese dishes use this thick soy sauce to give a nice brown color. Okay, and that's it. Okay, the next step, I heated up the pan and I pour in some oil. Carefully lift the whole chicken into the pan. Okay, now we're going to flip the chicken. Carefully, using 2 wooden spoons. And we don't use a fork or something sharp because it'll pierce the skin and break it. We want the skin to look really nice as it's frying. So you just wait a few seconds and you see how nice and brown it is already? That's what you want. Next I'm going to turn it on the sides to make sure we get all parts of the chicken brown. It doesn't take long, and because you use a deep pot it doesn't splash so much. It's almost there. And then I'm going to flip it one more time. You can see how nice and brown it all is. Just have to be careful. Okay, I think that's enough. Now we'll add the garlic, ginger, lily flowers, fungus, button mushroom, soy sauce, sugar, wine, chicken broth, and liquid from canned mushrooms. I forgot to add the dried mushrooms. Add them here. Now we've added all of the rest of the ingredients, and I push it down into the liquid, and you see the liquid is rising up. So push it down, and I'm going to let it come to a boil, and then I'm going to kind of let it simmer for about an hour, and then in between we'll turn it. Maybe about every 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Arrange chicken neatly on platter with the vegetables. Pour some gravy over the chicken and serve with hot rice. Everyone will enjoy this. So tender, juicy, and moist. You've got to try this. Thank you for watching how to make Chinese pot roast chicken. This is what the packages look like when you shop for dried mushrooms, dried lily flowers, and dried black fungus in Chinatown.